Hey, this is my first GMK set ever, and it's GMK Birch. Up until now, I've been using PBT clones, or, PBT sets from other manufacturers, such as Keycaps or Echo. But for my girlfriend, I decided I would go all out and get the best of the best, and that's why we're here today with the GMK set. My first impressions were $120 and all I got was the styrofoam box? But I guess the quality of the keycaps speak for themselves. The camera makes the set look much more yellow than it actually is. Right off the bat, as I'm feeling the keycaps, they are much more textured than I'm used to with the PBT clones. In addition, the legends are sharper and more defined, kind of like they're all in bolded letters. In my hand here, I have a GMK Olivia clone, and then the GMK Birch keycap in comparison. You can see there's quite a difference in thickness. And here's a sneak peek of the final product. The video's coming soon. Thanks for watching. JRIS65 video coming out next.